Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial for today will provide you with help to get rid of the new adware type application called MatchPicks. MatchPicks is the adware that actually belongs to the adload family. The peculiarity of this adware is that it only attacks Mac computers today. So this MatchPicks adware may inject its malicious roots into browsers like Safari, Google Chrome and Firefox, but mainly Safari is being attacked. By the way, you can see this adware MatchPicks in the list of your available applications. So if you would like to get rid of it, you need to access the list of your applications. Then you need to right click on this MatchPicks and select the option to move it to the trash. Sometimes it's also important to check Safari extensions. Sometimes the extension may be here, so if you find that extension, get rid of it too. Also, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and then start investigating your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.